This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make canned peaches at home easy method. Gather 3 pounds ripe, firm peaches and a few basic canning tools. Measure syrup ingredients accurately. Sterilize jars while you prep fruit. Set up a clean workspace with towels and a pot of simmering water. Check lids and seals. Have a timer and oven mitts handy. Follow safety steps for handling hot jars during the process. Choose peaches that are ripe but firm, then blanch them 30-60 seconds and plunge into ice water for quick peeling. Slice or halve each peach and remove pits, trimming any bruised areas. Hold fruit in a lemon water bath to prevent discoloration as you work. Prepare your syrup and keep jars hot. Work steadily for consistent slices and even packing. A clean, organized process speeds canning and improves results. Pack peaches into hot jars snugly, but without crushing, keeping 1/2 inch headspace for expansion. Pour hot light syrup over peaches until covered, then use a non-metallic utensil to remove air bubbles and recheck headspace. Wipe jar rims clean before placing lids and rings finger tight. Process jars in a boiling water canner for 15 minutes, adjusting for altitude and jar size. Cool jars.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.